Hello and welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Today we have surprise eggs. Number 1. Lion. Oh, who's this? This is Poe. 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 Next one. Yeah, Poe. Patty, Patty. Wait a minute, Poe. Oh, this is Lala. Jerry. This is Jerry. For me, Sam and friends. The big one. Whoa. Tinky Winky, Tinky Winky. Tinky Winky. And this is Masha and the bear. Masha and the bear. Oh, Masha and the bear. And the big one is, oh, of course. Mater, Dr. Mater. Okay, we have. And next one. Masha. This is Masha. Masha, open this. Okay, this is. Oh, Barba Papa. Barba Papa's family. Barba Papa. This is Barba Papa. And minions. And last one is the Smurfs. The Smurfs. Thank you very much. Till the next time with Clipsmixxx. Bye bye.